What's the meaning of chosen? Chosen. Chosen.
Chosen. Chosen. Chosen is an adjective that describes something or someone that has been selected or picked out from a group based on particular qualities or criteria. The act of being chosen implies that there was a deliberate selection process involved, and that the chosen person or thing possesses characteristics or abilities that make them unique or special. Being chosen can be a positive or negative experience, depending on the context. In general, it is a term that implies a certain level of recognition or distinction for the chosen individual or item.